Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows copy-paste not working. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is Open File Explorer, C Drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Search with Rdpclip. Right-click Run as administrator. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.